In what way does the pattern of drainage in grid square 6729 differ from that in grid square 6725? So 6729, find out from the page 30. 67, you are taking your correct grids, you have to take, otherwise it will be wrong. Your answer can be wrong. 6729. 6729. Have you got 6729? See, there is, in that grid only you have to consider. There it is, too many, what I have shown in the board, it is not like that. But while observing that, it is not the trellised one. It is not parallel one. It is not vein-like formation of tributaries. Then it is moves away from one center to the other side. That is why it is radial. 6729. Talking about grid square 6729. Okay. Then the next one also you observe 6725. 6725 beneath itself. They are dendritic. So veins like formation from different sides it is moving. Especially on the bottom of that grid you can see there it is different way it moves. Problem it is 3 types only, but whenever you are observing, you will confuse that it is radial or the dendritic, you will feel difficulty. Trellised, no problem. Trellised, they are the 90-degree parallel ones. With the dendritic and radial, you will get confusion. That is why we will move the next page also. How does the question number E in page number 33? Question number E. How does the drainage pattern in grid square 6117 differ from the drainage pattern in grid square 6219? You don't check the answer. Without checking the answer, try to find out yourself, then check the answer. 6117 first of all. It is radial. It says radial. In that grid, you can observe that from the other grid it forms this way. That means that it is moving towards the center area. Okay, that is why it is radial. Or it moves from this area to the other side. That is why it is radial. Okay, next one 6219. 6219. There it is clearly, it is trellised. You can observe that. Trellised, there is no problem. Parallel formation of tributaries we can find over there. Notice that? Have you seen? 6219. 6117. Once again you check 6117. See there it is written rocky something more, knob or something. Kalia Dangar. In that area it is. So there you can find that the leaves like formation, it is not there. Leaves vein like formation is there means it is dendritic. Okay. And not only that, the subsequent rivers and consequent rivers which are forming in the trellised one or 90-degree, which are not parallel, that formation also we cannot find. That is why it is not trellised also. So too many rivers are not found. That is why it is radial. You have to compare with the trellised and dendritic. Then only you can find out the radial. Radial is the difficult one to find out. Okay, that is only you have to find. Clear? Soumya was raising the hand. Any problem, Soumya? No problem. Okay, this is the formation. Then, many more questions related with the drainage patterns are given in your other topographical sheets. You have to find out that. Okay, do yourself, then understand yourself. Okay, Vishesh. Vishesh, you can talk. Unmute you. Vishesh, unmute yourself and talk. Vishesh. Vishesh, can you hear me? Vishesh, talk. Some technical problem is there. Okay, it's okay. Now, the course of the river. There itself it is given before the drainage pattern. It is given the course of the river. 3 courses of the river. You have studied. Course of the river means the flow of the river. Origin of the river is from its source. Source of the river. Source of the river is always in a mountain or the heighted area. Source of the river. From the height only, the river is starting and moving towards the different areas, different topographical area. Source always it can be a mountain. From the mountain, river is flowing very swift way, very fast. River flow is very fast. Okay. Then there is the formation of different tributaries can be less. Tributaries can be joined or different streams can be joined. But it is moving very fast and less tributaries only can be there. Second, this is called the upper course. Or youthful stage of, you have studied in class 6, youthful stage of river. Then it is reaching in the middle stage, middle course. Second stage, there the plain areas. River, it is moving through here, then its flow is become slow. Here the main effect of river is erosion. Second level, here it is the transportation level. First stage it is erosion is taking place, second stage transportation is taking place. Then before entering into the sea, that is the mouth of the river. Mouth. Before ending there, some deltas are forming. Deltaic deposition. Always the mouth will be the sea. The last course is the last course. 3 levels. Okay. Here the deposition takes place. Deposition. Okay. Then in which stage it is gorges are forming? First stage, upper stage, gorges. V-shaped valleys are forming. Canyons are forming in first stage. Gorges or V-shaped valleys or canyons, U-shaped valleys. Canyons are U-shaped valleys that is forming in the first stage, erosional stage. Simply the erosion, soil erosion is taking place in this stage. Middle stage, transportation of the soil is taking place. Transported. Here in the middle stage, as I told in the last class, there is the oxbow lakes are forming. Oxbow lakes or the meanders are forming by the deposition. Different formation it is taking place. Okay. Then last stage, deltas are forming. Triangular deposition at the mouth of the river is called deltas. Triangular deposition at the mouth of the river. So that is also taking place. Three courses of the river. Can be asked some other questions. Okay, please read this part. Okay, radial, it is shown over there, not the same exactly like page number 21. It is shown not like that it is shown. You read that drainages only, drainage, that pattern only, that topic only, then you can ask your doubts. It's asking what it is. Very simple it is. Okay. So, in order to find out the direction of the river or a river, mainly river, it is to find out first of all the source of the river. Where the river is starting, that we have to find out first of all. Origin of the river we have to find out. Then only direction we can. So already we know the four direction: north, south, west, east direction. With that only northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest also we know. This much direction is needed for finding out the direction of the river. Direction of the river, not the bank of the river. Direction of the river. Which direction the river flows? That we have to find out from the topo sheet. Which direction it flows. So, origin of the river we have to find out. Where the river is origin. Origin, first we have to check the height of the area. From the upper height to the lower height, the river always flows. Upper height to lower height, river it flows. Then whenever you are checking in your topo sheet, total topo sheet, there can be given different spot heights. Here it is given in different grids. I am not drawing everything. Different grids are given you. In that grid, spot heights are also given. Suppose here it is 280. Here it is 840. Sorry. 180. Here it is 540. Spot. Here it is 80. Here it is 60. Here also it is 541 or 42. Like that it is given. So from the whole map, topo sheet, while observing, you can find out that in small size only it will be giving. I have written here big size, but small size you have to observe small height. Which one is the biggest one? Here 442. Sorry, 542 is the biggest one. So that you can come into the conclusion in the river, it is the origin in this side. This side means it is the northwestern side as per this direction. Northwestern side. Northwestern, you know. Okay. So that northwest to when the lower area is moving, it is on the southeastern side. So you have to write river flows from northwest to southeastern side. This much only you have to write. Sometimes 2 mark easily you can score. So spot height you have to find out. From the origin it is moving direction. Okay. Sometimes suppose the spot heights are not given. Wait, let me explain fully. Spot heights are not given. Second one it is to find out the triangulated height. Triangulated height giving in the meter. Triangulated height. That is also given there with the digits. The biggest triangulated height. First we have to observe spot height. If it is not there, then triangulated height. If the triangulated heights are not given, then you have to move to the contours. Contours are also giving the slope of the land. Okay, in meters, in the contour lines, you can see there contours. Like these contours are giving, then there it is giving 100 meter, 200 meter, 300 meter, like that it is giving. Okay, so the contours line also you have to observe in order to find out where the upper meter heights which are given over there, or the formation, different formation. Plateaus are forming there. Plateaus, normally it is not. The cliffs are forming. Sometimes conical hills are forming with the contour lines. Conical hills. You will study how it forms. Otherwise, you studied in class 8. Conical hills are mostly the slopy area. From that area it flows. Then you can find out. Normally, with this only it is asking direction of the river. Direction of the river. Okay. One more thing is there. The bank of the river. Which side of the river the tributary moves? Suppose one of the map we find that Sippu river, river Sippu. For example, here I am showing. Suppose Rapti river. Rapti river is moving in. Rapti's tributary is there. You imagine that tributary is there. Tributary. One tributary is moving over there. Then we have to find out that in Rapti rivers, which bank this tributary moves? We can give any line. In your book there is given Sippu Nadi, which side Belram Nadi moves. Belram Nadi. So how to find out which bank, which side? There you have to find out either right side or left side. Two things only you have to write. West side, east side, north side. Some of the students are writing. Simply without caring, you are losing your mark here. Easy thing only. Which side of the river the tributary moves, giving its name, and it asks. Tributary's name it is giving. Then it asks. Then you have right side or the left side. Simply you don't write. How to find out which side? You have to imagine that from its origin, you are walking. In your book is given that you are walking towards its flow of the river. Then your right side will be your right bank of the river, and your left side will be the left side of the river. Or you imagine that you are standing on the river flows, where how the river is flowing. Directly there itself you are standing there. Then while standing, river is flowing there, you are facing the river, where the river is flowing, then your left side will be left bank of the river, right side will be right bank. Here you have to remember that if the river is flowing through this side, you are imagine that this side will be your left side and this side will be your right side. That is okay. Okay. Origin of the river. From there, whenever you are facing your left side, your left hand bank, and the other side your right hand side. That is only you have to write. Clear? Okay. So these are the two things. Direction of the river you have to find out. Direction of the river and the bank of the river. Very simple only. If you are doing it correctly, you will check such a type of one question. We will check there. Page number 31 itself, you just check there it is given such type of question. Page number 31. Yes, page number 31C. On which bank of Sipu Nadi is the village Gulamganj situated? Yes. Snigdha is saying it is there. Which bank? From where does the village get its supply of water throughout the year? That is the different question. On which bank of Sipu Nadi is the village Gulabganj situated? First, we have to find out the Sipu Nadi's origin. Sipu Nadi. Sipu Nadi, have you seen? Origin, how we will find out? Find out the spot height over there. 289 seen. The nearby areas only you can find out. 289. Not only that, here it is very easy. Nearby Gulamganj, Sipu Nadi written over there. There the arrows are given. In the middle of the river, arrow is given. That is easy. If arrows are given, you can understand that the river direction is on that side. That means from northeast to northwest river is moving. Sipu river is moving. Okay, northeast to northwest Sipu river is moving as per the arrow which is given. You now need to find out there the spot height. If the arrows are given there, spot height you now need to find out in order to find out its origin. So the origin is from northeast to northwest. Okay. So that you imagine that you are standing over there. Then the direction of the Gulabganj is in your which side? Left side. Okay, left side. Have you got? Correct now? Simple only now? Simple. Here you have to remember that it is easy if there is. Always it is not giving the arrows. Arrows are given means direction is very easily you can find out. Okay. Again check. Is there any other question like that? Check you also, then we can save that time. Anybody seen means raise your hands. River bank. Anybody seen? Yes, Anushka.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, page number 35.
35, question number?
Sir, question number H, second part.
H, second part. Okay. Which bank of the main river? First one also. What is the general direction of the Belram Nadi? That also we can find out. General direction. Of course, there is also Belram Nadi's direction is given by the arrows. You are easy to find out. Arrow is given from same northeast to northwest only. Northeast to northwest only. Towards northwest or northeast to northwest. You don't write it towards. That will create some problem while evaluating the answer. You have to write from where to where. Here it is northwest to. It is given in your book, it is southeast. It is northeast to northwest. Northeast to northwest. Okay. Which river is asked there? Belram Nadi is asked. I find out the Sipu river. Belram Nadi, sure, it is starting from grid square almost 89. From southeast to southeast and only there. Southeast to Belram Nadi moves. There is Belram Nadi where it is written. There is also one arrow is there. there to northwest it is moving. Northwest. It is became the part of the Sipu Nadi also there. So that is the direction. Second part it is, which bank of the main river does the Balram Nadi join? Which bank? Which bank it is? So that it is moving from southeast to northwest. That is why there you are standing and moving towards the northwestern area. That is why you can tell it is the left bank side of the river. Okay. So origin you have to find out. Now related with the same way, one another here itself we can show this. Direction of the settlement we have to find out. Settlement direction. Suppose one settlement called here is a settlement. Settlement called any name you can give. Anandra, for example. Anandra is there. Then another one is Gulabganj. Gulabganj also there. From Gulabganj to Anandra is in which direction? Anandra. So here from Gulabganj we have to take it first. Gulabganj from is asked, it is from Gulabganj. That is why Gulabganj is in this direction, northeastern direction. It is the center. Then based on Gulabganj, Anandra is in southwestern direction. This is southeastern direction. Based on this. So first we have to, such type of questions are giving direction based on a settlement. It is asking means from that one be taking first of all, from one settlement to the another one you have to take it. Okay, normally students are thinking that the Anandra or any other is asking means will not think. They will be taking the next one. But there you have to give the importance for based on which settlement it is to find out the direction. Okay, such a type of questions are also given in your book. We can find out that. Page number 39. Question number K. What is the direction of Dantani and Davali from Chandela? That is the question. That is the way it is asking. So here it is the from Chandela. Chandela is the sender to find out the direction. Okay, both the Dantani and Davali is direction we have to find out. First we will find out where Chandela. It is giving writing over there. Find out it without checking the answer. Dantani I find out. Have you seen? Anybody seen? Davali is in grid square 56, 18. Dantani is in grid square, mostly it is comes in 55, 15. Then which one? Chandela. Anybody seen? Yes. Divyanshi.
Sir, in the grid square 60 to 14.
60?
60 to 14.
60 to 14. 60 to 14. Okay. 60 to 14. Okay. It is a It is a linear settlement or scattered settlement. That is a linear one. It is Chandela. So based on Chandela, 60 to 14. Others also can check. Good. Based on Chandela, what is the direction of Danthani? First of all, Danthani. What is the direction? Based on Chandela. Based on Chandela. Don't look at the answer. Based on Chandela. Chandela is the center. From there. Based on that, both are moving towards which direction? North west direction of Chandela. Not throughout the map. Not throughout the map. I think some of you are raising your hands because you got the answer. That is why now Divyanshi, Aryan, Prashant, Vedansh, and Saksham, you have got the answer. That is why. Based on that, from where, that is the important thing. That is only you have to remember. Now you will find out, okay, no problem. But during exam, you won't care that one. From you have to consider from which settlement. Based on that settlement only you have to find out the other direction. Not throughout all the maps direction. Mostly students are taking the general direction, that is this direction. Not like that. Based on that particular settlement, we have to identify that. Identify the settlement. Okay. Clear now? Okay. Now you can remove your hand symbol. Is there any other doubt? Means you can remain with your hand symbol. Prashant.
Sir, Chandela is in 6314, no?
6314.
14.
6314 it is. 6314. Of course. It is like written over the other side. That is why. Exactly. Of course. We were meant for the other reason it is taken. That is why 6314 is the exact grid square for Chandela. Good, Prashant. Okay. You are correct. Then, anything else? Can ask your doubts now. I think you are writing your copies now, side by side while you are learning itself. Okay, no problem. It is not compulsory to write the serial wise which is given in your book. Which are the topic I have taught you that you can write. Okay, write at the same day itself, then it should not be burden for you. And refer these questions answer in different pages it is given. Last period also I told you, you have to refer it on time, otherwise together it will be making confusion. Radial pattern, try to find out yourself from different questions which are given in your topo sheet. That will be difficult for you later. You will get confusion. Whenever we are studying about the distance and areas, calculate distance and areas, that will be difficult for you later. That is why now itself you clear all the doubts. Okay. I think you are not preparing yourself. That is why not asking any doubts, any of the period. Normally in the normal classroom, students are having a lot of doubts, but you are not asking. Okay. Come with your doubts next period. Can we wind up? Okay. Thank you. Thank you.